Monthly rental contracts accounted for a record high share of Seoul's housing market in the first quarter of this year. The sharp rise in jeonse prices and interest rates is driving a rapid shift toward monthly rent.
올해 1분기 서울 주택의 월세 비중이 분기 기준 역대 최대를 기록했습니다. 높은 전세값과 금리 부담으로 전세에서 월세로의 전환 속도가 가팔라지고 있습니다. So, Cameron, before we have covered the news regarding the popularity of monthly rents. But it seems that it's at all-time high.
Yes. So when looking at all rental contracts, the amount of contracts that were monthly rental, 월세, was 64.6%.
Wow.
월세 계약 비중이 64.6%였어요.
Wow.
So that is a lot indeed. If you go back to just 2021, 2021년, it was in the 40% range.
Wow.
40%대였는데 it has increased almost 20%.
That's a lot, actually, in such a short period of time.
Yes. And one reason for that, of course, is general prices. If you look at the jeonse price right now, in some places it is very, very high. Places like Mapo, Yongsan, Songdong. So kind of an average apartment, about 84 square meters, is almost 1 billion won now.
10억?
10억 정도예요.
For 전세?
Yeah.
No.
I don't have that type of money.
I'm sorry. If I had that type of money, I would probably just buy a
Yeah.
place in Gyeonggi-do.
Yeah, at those
Yeah.
prices, 전세보다
Yeah.
그냥 매매로
I agree.
might be easier to just buy.
I agree. So other than the sharp rise in jeonse prices, is there anything else?
Well, so the Bank of Korea's rate cuts are a little bit slower than many people would like. 그 기준금리 아직 높고 그 인하가 좀 늦어지고 있는데 then we also have the fact that there were scams only a few years ago.
Yeah.
전세 관련된 그 사기
Yeah.
사건들 많았잖아요. Because of that, especially younger renters, younger people are a little scared to give that much money for 전세.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, I am pro worse.
Well, yes.
For me, well, I mean, not because of choice.
Right, right,
But
yeah.
that was all I had.
I mean, I did 전세 one time, and it was stressful. I was worried that my
Right.
money would not come back to me.
And almost didn't
It
in
was
time.
at the very last minute. We
Yeah.
figured it out.
This is interesting. It's getting higher. The numbers are getting higher and higher. And I predict that they will go even higher.
You know, it's
know?
true.
Yeah.
The stock market goes up and down, but real estate prices, they can go down, but more often than not, they just go up and up and up.
So monthly rent is the thing these days.
Yeah.
Okay, so the sharp rise in jeonse prices and interest rates is driving a rapid shift. Let's talk about this expression, a rapid shift. So when there is a rapid shift, there is a quick or sudden change, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So it was like from jeonse and then to 월세.
Yes.
It's like that shift.
Yeah,
Tell us more.
a shift is like a change. There's often a feeling of a change in direction. So if we think about this jeonse versus 월세, when I first came to Korea 10 years ago,
Yeah.
돈만 있으면 전세해야겠다.
무조건.
무조건 해야겠다.
무조건, yes.
Those types of things. That's what everyone told me to do.
Sure.
Now, the direction seems to change where now people are thinking, ooh, maybe jeonse is a little too expensive.
Yeah.
Maybe it is a little less safe.
Yes.
So the direction, the way people are thinking has changed, which is why we can use this word shift.
Yeah.
S-H-I-F-T.
That's right. You're going in this direction and then you turn right
Yeah.
or you turn left.
Yeah.
Right? So I feel, and it is a rapid shift. So it happened very quickly.
Right. If we think
Yeah.
of just 2-3 years ago,
Yeah.
everyone wanted to get jeonse. Now many people are deciding that's not the best idea.
I tell you, times are changing. Okay, monthly rental contracts accounted for a record high share of Seoul's housing market in the first quarter of this year. The sharp rise in jeonse prices and interest rates is driving a rapid shift toward monthly rent.